Now, from the era of Dawood to the rise of Bishnoi gang, is Bollywood once again under the shadow of the underworld and gangsters? Well, the spike in Bishnoi gang's warnings, gunfire incidents, and extortion calls have sent fresh tremors through the film industry, making B-Town rather nervous. Here's more.
There was a time when Bollywood functioned under the shadow of the underworld. The era of Dawood Ibrahim cast a long, dark spell on the film industry. Today, years later, a new shadow appears to be growing. The Lawrence Bishnoi gang. What began as isolated threats centered around certain stars like Salman Khan has expanded to the whole B-Town. In the latest episode, actor Ranveer Singh received an extortion call allegedly from a Bishnoi gang member. India Today accessed this chilling audio clip, though its authenticity is yet to be verified. In the recording, Harry Boxer, allegedly from the Bishnoi gang, warns the actor, threatening all of Bollywood to fall in line, especially Ranveer and director Rohit Shetty.
आज का एक वॉइस नोट है अपने बॉलीवुड वालों के लिए जो भी एक्टर डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर जितनी भी हम सबके लिए और खासकर रणवीर सिंह तेरे लिए रोहित शेट्टी तेरे लिए टाइम रहते अगर तुम दोनों बैठ के ही है ना तुम्हारा वो इलाज करेंगे तुम्हारा वो हाल करेंगे कि तुम भी साथ में क्यों ना बैठेंगे ठीक है और रणवीर सिंह तुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है सलाह देने का कि जाओ सर आप एप्लीकेशन दे दो रिपोर्ट कर दो आने में ठीक और तूने भी कर दी कोई चक्कर नहीं है अब सुन मेरी बात तुम्हारे नीचे जो भी काम करता है ना मैनेजर जितने भी लोग काम करते हैं तुम्हारे इन सब की डिटेल है हमारे पास उनके घर की कब ऑफिस जाते हैं कब आते हैं परिवार कहाँ रहता है सब की डिटेल है हमारे पास
A spike in attacks over the last couple of years has raised alarm. Gunfire outside Rohit Shetty's Juhu residence. Multiple shootings at comedian Kapil Sharma's cafe in Surrey. Shots fired outside Salman Khan's Galaxy apartment in Bandra. Firing outside Disha Patni's family house. Gunshots outside singer AP Dhillon's house in Vancouver. Just to name a few. A disturbing pattern, a widening target list. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, in the wake of events, vowed that every gangster plot will be stopped and gangs operating in Mumbai will be wiped out. Law enforcement agencies, he says, have been told to act firmly. But inside Bollywood, the mood is tense. The glamour remains. The cameras roll. Many are now looking over their shoulders as if the 80s have returned. Bureau Report, India Today.
I'm going to go straight across to Divesh, getting in more details on that story. Divesh, there's been fair amount of speculation that often small-time gangsters also, in fact, take the name of Lawrence Bishnoi and make these calls for attention or for whatever reasons. What have the investigators found in this case? Any word from Ranveer Singh's camp also just yet? What are you learning?
Well, as of now, it has been learned that the voice note sent to Ranveer Singh's manager, actor Ranveer Singh's manager, was sent using VPN, and that is why the tracking location of the sender has been very difficult, though specialists from Cyber Cell and expert help from other private organizations has also been sought, while the Cyber Cell is working round the clock to track the exact location from which country this message was sent to actor Ranveer Singh, where he was threatened, extortion was demanded, and the sender claimed that he is a member of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang. As of now, it is yet to be ascertained whether it was act by the Lawrence Bishnoi gang or it was some impersonator, but after the threats have been issued, there have been audio notes that have been circulated. There's a recent audio note that came in from another member of the Lauren Bishnoi gang, Harry Boxer, where again he has mentioned about Ranveer Singh, Rohit Shetty and others. He has issued threats to them